Hello, this is Pam with Pam Hair Expo. I'm doing the box plaits and we're crisscrossing them, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like, but I'm going to demonstrate on the other side. So just in case you guys wanted to do it or try it, then you would know how we get this particular look. But here you go.
Gotcha. You just hold it like this.
Mm-hmm. Come on,
Barbara be over here probably Monday, Tuesday.
you hear that, Miss Barbara? We're going to need you over here Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah, wait a minute, when she see me at work Monday.
You know what's going on YouTube, right?
Yeah, you need to put it on there. Now, baby, because she see me Monday. They're going to be the first time, oh, you done been over Miss Pam. I sure have.
And guys, this style is great for adults, teenagers, kids. You know, you can sort of whip it up however you want. This is just what we're going to do to the front half. The back half, you can do like a ponytail. You can do an updo, or you can just leave it hanging down straight or curl it. We're going to do rods with hers, but I just wanted you guys to see how we do the crisscross plaits. I mean, boxes. My bad. Sorry about that, guys. So when you take this next one, you can go ahead and put a little gloss or gel or whatever you want to put on this right here. But what we're going to do is we're going to separate it. We're going to take this part, which is going to go up there, but this one will go right here. So since we know that this one is going right here, then we're just going to connect this like that. Okay, now that we have that connected right there, we're going to part it again. And we're only going to make 3 blocks out this next one. Go ahead and slick your edges down. Like I said, you can use gel, you can use the glaze, whatever you want to use to slick them naps, baby. Let me stop. But what we're going to do is actually we're going to get this, we're going to get a piece from this plait down here, and we're going to split this off again. So you're getting a piece from here, and you're going to get a piece from here. You can put your gel on there so you can make sure that it comes out, you know, straight. And we're going to put the rubber band up here. Now we're going to do 2 more. But what we're going to do is bring this one here like that, and we're also going to take half of that first one because we still need this to go up there too. So you're taking a piece from here and a piece from here, and you're going to connect it with the second block. Okay, so now that you have this one done, we're going to leave half of it to go up here. This third block, what we're going to do is just go ahead and add this one to this third block. Like I said, put your gel on here just to smooth it. So now you have your crisscross pattern. Sometimes people like to just leave these, you know, hanging so they can just go ahead and use it as the updo or the ponytail. But what I'm going to do is just go ahead and connect all of it together. I'm going to do 3 rows up here. But just to show you guys one more time, because everyone may want to do their top part separate, you know, like I guess you could say different from the way I'm going to do mine. But I'm basically just giving you the concept. You don't have to do it exactly like I'm doing it, but it's just the concept. We're going to make 4 up here. And we're going to take part of the first one. Add our gel. And stick a rubber band on it. Now if you want to, by the time you get to the one up here at the top, you don't have to add that first one, but if you want to, you can. Totally left up to you guys. So what I'm going to do is split the first one. Take this added one right there. Wow, rubber band popped, huh? Okay guys, sometimes you get that. Rubber band pops. And here we go. So what we're going to do is part it again right here. Go ahead and add your gel to this piece of hair that we're going to add in the back, and also to this piece that we're going to add to that one. So we're just going to take half of this, and then we're going to take this half as well. Just add that together. Okay, so basically, guys, because I don't want the video to really be too long, but that's how you do the box crisscross puzzle plaits. And like I said, when it comes to the top, I have 2 more to go, but when it comes to the top, I will do the other side like that, and the middle part, you're just going to connect them like this. You're just going to go down connecting them like that for just that middle part. Or like I said, be creative and do it the way that you want to. It's left up to you. But this is Pam with Pam's Hair Expo. I love you guys, and peace.